Ajay Seth. The government is likely to release final rules of the Digital Personal Data Protection Draft after reviewing comments from the industry. Sources have told CNBC-TV18 that the window to submit comments ends today. Ashmit Kumar joins us now with the details. Ashmit, take us through what the industry has said and what the industry wants.
Well, the window for submission of comments and feedback on the draft DPDP rules ends today, March 5th. No further extension is to be allowed. They've been in the public domain for over 60 days now, over 2 months. The focus now shifts to the government to come out with the final version of these rules, and that's something that the industry has been clamoring for. The DPDP Act passed in August of 2023, and since then the wait has been for these rules to give clarity on how to go about implementing the structure, the data protection framework that we have. Speaking of the industry, what are the concerns that they've highlighted as a part of this 2-month consultation window? Well, number one, they've flagged how there's a new provision under these rules which provides for a government-appointed committee to give specific criteria and specific conditions on data transfer overseas. So data localization is one concern that has been flagged. The other is what about seeking consent of existing users? To that, the formula that has been proposed by players such as Paytm and PhonePe is that unless there's a withdrawal of consent, the companies should be at liberty to go ahead and continue processing their personal data. Number three, parental consent, again raised by a huge number of players. Concern and clarity has been sought on how to go about implementing this, how to ensure that there is age verification, how to ensure that there is no falsification of age, how to ensure that children who don't have tech-enabled parents don't suffer from lack of content or limitation of content. Number four, industry bodies such as the CII have raised concerns in terms of the reporting window of just 72 hours in case of a data breach. And finally, number five, industry bodies such as NASSCOM have raised concerns as to what the definition of reasonable security protocols are that have been prescribed as a part of these data rules. So a lot of feedback that has gone to the government. It is now to the government's onus for them to decide and to come out with the final version of the rules. They've been clear that they don't want a prescriptive formula. They want a formula for data protection that allows for greater innovation.
All right. Thank you very much, Ashmit, for joining